Now we have the table, the climatic pathogenic factor. And sa symptoms, pag there is severe fever, mild chills, headache, hot head, excessive thirst. Sa cold, there is severe chills, mild fever, headache, no thirst. Pag damp naman, there is puffyness of skin, may edema in the periphery, heavy limbs, heavy-headed headache, mucus in nose or throat. Sa wind naman, there is aversion to wind on skin, sneezing, itchy eyes or throat, headache with wandering muscle pains. Dry naman, dry tight skin, dry nose and throat, itching or sneezing, dry cough. Next, sa tongue coating, pag merong heat, there is yellow coating, tongue color will not change in an exterior problem. Pag merong cold, white coating, no change in tongue color. Pag damp, there is slimy coating. Pag wind, thin coating, yellow or white according to heat or cold wind. Sa dry, there is dry coating, cracks, or peeled coating. Sa pulse quality, pag merong heat, superficial, rapid pulse. Pag cold naman, there is superficial, slow pulse. Pag meron damp, superficial, slippery pulse as if touching a drop of mercury, a slippery pearl. Pag wind, there is superficial, wiry pulse like a tight guitar string. Pag dry, there is a superficial thin pulse just under the skin, more rapid. Sa treatment, if there is presence of heat, we sedate heart 6, small intestine 8, LI4, LI11, hot spicy soup, and warm bed to encourage sweating. Pag there is cold, sedate kidney 5, LI4, LI11, hot spicy soup like above. Sa damp, we sedate spleen 8, LI4, LI11, hot spicy soup like above. Pag there's wind, sedate liver 6, GP38, LI4, LI11, hot spicy soup like above, wind elimination. Pag dry, tonify lung 1, kidney 10, LI11, drink water and eat salty food, REN 17. In all cases, in table 12.1, the C-clef point is used to sedate the climatic pathogenic factor, except in the case of dryness. LI11, LI4, and hot spicy soups are used to improve the open elimination function. As long as the climatic pathogenic factor is in the exterior, there is a superficial pulse indicating that the pathogenic factor has not yet moved deeper. When it does move deeper, the depth of the pulse will also change to a deeper level. So, mas lumalalim. The pulse quality, rapid, slow, slippery, wiry, and thin, indicates heat, cold, damp, wind, or dry quality of the pathogenic factor. The tongue color and form indicate the interior situation of blood, fluid, and energy. But the coating indicates the various climatic pathogenic factors that attack the body. This is why, sabi ng author, I have not included tongue color dun sa table 12.1. As you see here, the skin is the outer armor that protects the body, helping us to adapt quickly to climatic changes around us. The eliminating exogenous pathogenic factor when they attack and try to enter the body, if the body is a fortress, then the skin forms the outer walls with soldiers guarding against the possible entry of the enemy. Elimination is not only about skin. Stools are another important elimination function. Without this function, we would not be able to get rid of waste and toxins from the body. The large intestine is an eliminator not only for the metal element, but for the entire body. For problems with elimination in any organ of the body, the large intestine should be tonified to improve this function. Sabi niya, I illustrate this point in the case example below.